The pitter-patter and splashing of raindrops has a calming effect, probably because it takes us back to a time before we were born. We hear similar sounds in our mother's womb. The monotony and evenness of the rain relaxes and calms us so that we can sleep better. Rain melodies, recorded with state-of-the-art recording technology for unique audio quality. Soft to heavy rain, perfect for falling asleep, for use in wellness and meditation areas, for radio, film, television, or as soft background sound. Two additional bonus tracks include a perfect mix of soothing rain sounds and dreamlike relaxation music. All recordings instantly provide considerable inner peace. Immerse yourself in a world of boundless relaxation.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?